Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Bijuteo Beading and I'm here today to show you how to make this colorful bracelet. I'm showing it in super easy step-by-step instructions, so I'm sure that even if you are a beginner, you will be able to make it. If you like it and you want to see more content from me, subscribe with the bell if you still haven't and help me by liking, sharing and commenting. I appreciate this so much. You could also check the membership option where you will get more additional video courses from me and digital beading patterns. It's totally inexpensive. You could start and cancel anytime. Check the join button and the description for a link. Okay guys, so what I'm using for this bracelet are 7 colors of 11/0 seed beads. One is the background color, which is really dark blue. You could use black or other favorite dark color. And here I'm using light pink, dark pink, red, white, light green and turquoise. And you could use other colors of your choice. You could use also 10/0s. This is nylon thread that is 0.3 millimeters of thickness. You could use your favorite brand. This is a clasp, size 11 or 10 beading needles. Good enough for this work, and scissors. And now I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay friends, and I'm starting my work with 4 pink beads, dark pink beads. I'm sliding those down. Here guys, I will leave a tail that I will use later to attach my clasp from this side. Okay, so now what I want to do is to go through all of those 4 beads. Just like that. And then through one more. And I have this. Then I'm going to take 5 seed beads of my background color, the dark ones. And I'm sliding those down. Then I need 4 light pink beads. Slide those down. And in this direction, not in this one, always go in this direction. I go from this bead here and pull. Okay. I want to pull it to the other bead here. Nice and tight next to each other. Then in my next step I need 6 beads from this background color. And I'm going to slide those down. This is what I have. And 4 pink beads. Light pink beads. Slide them. And you remember to go in this direction as always. Now guys, I need 2 beads. And I go through this one. Oops, here is what I have. Okay, and I take 2 dark blue beads and 4 dark pink beads. Slide those down. And now guys, it is easier for me to turn my work in this direction. So I'll do this, and I want to go here through the bottom one. Okay, this is what I have, but I should push it to the blue one. Okay. In my next step I need 2 dark blue beads, and what I'm going to do is to go here through this bottom dark pink bead. Oops. When I pull, I have this. Okay, then in my next step I need the next color as I said, and you can pick them up in the order that I showed them in the previous frame when I was showing you the materials. So it comes the red one, so 2 dark blue and 4 red. And again, do absolutely the same thing. Go through the first of those 4 reds back in circle. In the next step, 2 dark blue beads. And I take 2 dark blue beads and 4 dark pink beads. How do I know that I need to add dark pink here? Well, it is because I will have 4 dark pinks diagonally. So I have 1, 2, this is the third one that's on my way. And I pull. And then I need 2 dark blue beads. And I will be alternating. I will take 2 dark blue beads and 4 colorful beads. Then again only 2 dark blue beads. Then 2 dark blue beads plus 2 colorful beads. And now I need 2 dark blue beads and 4 dark pink beads. Why? Well, as I said, I need 4 of those diagonally, and I have 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one. Okay, and I'm going to pull. Okay, then since I added 2 plus colorful sequins, I need only to add 2. And I go here. And it turns this way. Now I need 2 plus 3 colorful, and how I know what's the color? Well, I will need 4 of the reds as well diagonally, so it comes the red. And I go back through the first. And then I guess you know it's time to take 2, because I'm alternating 2 and then 2 plus 4 colorful. Now because I'm here at the edge, it comes my next color. And my next color will be white, because I will have white, light green and turquoise. Okay, then I take 2 blue and 4 white. Here I'm at the step where I take 6 beads. And the next step, guys, obviously will be with 2 beads, because I'm alternating 2, 6, 2, 6, as I said. Now it's time to add 2 blue and 4 colorful, which are 6. And how do I know what color to pick up? Well, because I need 4 diagonally, and this is the third one, so it needs to be red to finish this diagonal. Next step is easy again. 2 background color beads. Two background, 4 colorful, and they need to be red to finish this diagonal of 4 red. These are crosses, but they are also called right angle weave. I mean, as a stitch, when you do this cross, it's called right angle weave. The next step is with 2 beads, and I go here. Then 2 dark blue and 4 whites. How do I know that it should be white? Well, this diagonal should be finished. Another cross or right angle weave. And then guys, it's not surprise that I need to Okay, if it turns in this direction, just pull it gently to this side. It's time for the sequence of 6. And how do I know I need the light green? Well, because I'm adding the colors one by one, as I said, as they were arranged in the beginning. So now it comes the light green. Okay, and pull. You know the next step, 2 dark color beads. Then the next familiar step, 2 background and 4 colorful beads, in this case white, because I have the third one from my diagonal of 4 whites. And 2 background color beads. And can you guess what's coming up next? Yes, the sequence of 6, and I know it should be white because I want to finish this diagonal. So I slide those down, go back like this. Here comes the step with 2. The step with 6, and I know I need green ones here because I have another diagonal started. When you grasp the logic, you will be able to do this bracelet until the end by yourself. And then 2 more of those beautiful dark blue beads. It comes the step with 6 and the last 6th color. So there is 1 background color and 6 other colors, and this is the 6th one, which is turquoise. And the step with 2 beads. The step with 6, and this diagonal tells me that I need light green color. The step with 2 beads. The step with 2, and the last from this diagonal of light greens. Then 2. Okay guys, and now it's time to start over, and I will start with my light pink color, then dark pink, red, white, light green and turquoise. So here I need a light pink and after that a dark pink. Okay, I'll continue this bracelet until the end because I think you get the logic, guys, and I'll be back to show you how to finish it. And how long you prefer your bracelet to be, it's totally up to you. And now I'm going to show you how to finish this bracelet. Okay, I take 6 background beads, and as I'm exiting from this pink, I go through the other one. Okay, and I have this. Then I'm going to take 5 beads and I will go here through this bead. Now guys, what I want to do is to zigzag through all of those beads and exit here. Okay, and what I want to do is to go through all of those beads just like that. And I want to reach here 2 beads after the pink one. And I'm going to take 2 blue beads, my clasp and 2 blue beads, and I will go backwards through this pink one. Okay, now I have this. Then in my next step, I want to reinforce this. And here, as always, I want to make a loop, go twice and go through some beads, and you could repeat this knot if you want several times, and when you're ready, go through some beads and cut it. Okay. Now, my friends, I want to repeat this thing from this side. I removed the stopper bead. Now I will put my needle here and I will do the same thing. Just instead of the clasp, I will put this jump ring. Okay, I'll do this off camera and I'll be back. Okay friends, and now I have my jump ring attached here, so my bracelet is ready. If you like this bracelet and you want to see more and more videos like this, subscribe with the bell if you still haven't. Also, you help me a lot by liking, sharing and commenting and motivate me to make more free tutorials for you. You might also want to become a member, which comes with multiple perks like video courses and digital beading pattern. You could check this in description and at the join button. It's totally inexpensive and you could start and cancel anytime. Now click on the video that you see on your screens and continue watching.